All right, there you have it. Now, as you were able to see with the previous clip, I put an angle on here just so this way I can fit a round stock into it and it won't roll. And I can also have it flat. So it's basically an extension off of a weld table. It's not for a car jack, it's not a car jack, and it's not a weight bearing thing, so don't do dumb. This here, once I get a piece of round stock, I'm just gonna weld it to it, so this way I don't have to use a wrench or a socket, because we all know they like to disappear. When you're welding a nut, all you have to do is just a couple of tacks. You know, nice heavy tacks, or else you're gonna deform it and the threads inside is gonna be all messed up and you're gonna have to cut it off, and that's no fun. I went with 4 for the base. I was gonna go with 3, but as you can see, my floor is all jacked up. With this, I used the 140 HD. It's an okay welder. If you're able to afford more than 600 bucks, I would just upgrade to a higher end Lincoln. But that's what I have and that's what I use for my shop. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and there's gonna be more videos coming up pretty soon. So, later.